Yeah, hello guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to reset service or maintenance reset of the Ford F-150 Raptor. So let's go together. Okay, now I'm inside the Ford F-150 Raptor. So first thing, you click here to find the setting. Yes, and then go to advanced setting, click OK, and then go to vehicle, click OK. Okay, so here you can see lock for lighting, for alarm, and here is oil life reset. Okay, you click OK, and then you can see it's now is 81% of the oil life, so you can hold this one. They mention hold OK to reset, so just hold OK and let's see. I just hold it. Okay, now it's 100%. So I hope this video is useful for everyone, for the mechanic and for the owner also can reset by themselves after replace the engine oil. Okay, thank you, bye bye. Please subscribe for more